so na sa Congress national and a kobasa manfo beka 2018 Commonwealth Games e ba so Australia no scandals between PM in Remono chese over 60 Ghanaian journalists and as enkofo e call sa dwumede kese na se no emu makoma ko ba 60 e pozu se wo mo journalists amu fi Ghana omde omani 18 chese sa dwumede kese na se eno nam so ema Australian High Commission mu koko pai pa e wo san komu wa na nya asem ketwa kwa eno enam so magana ban so e de hwehwemu 18 sa pempem so abe sa brede ya clear ni pa ne bebre san se sa no na osofo abedi kira ohwa akudie ne mabu no so pious enam adide na ne din abomu eyi na afiri mu owura kodwoba agyeman ono so eyi na afiri mu e osan hyehye mu enti GOC fo mpan fo so de omu dwumadi etwen sa pem so a na omo ede ye hwehwe mu bezi sabre GOC fo ntimi nkire se journalist asemesi ana so benten ana etimi ekopie mu osan hyehye so kuna se na mum owura banu no mensa e kire sa scandal na de journalist ye ne de enya de a omu ni mo hwe san se omu gide pass journalist no omo na apply for accreditation.
The journalist accreditation is not what we are voting on. The journalist accreditation is was done by the journalists themselves. If any Ghanaian journalist was detained in Australia and was returned, I am sure you all have the list from the organizers. Journalist accreditation, let me repeat again, is done directly, or they did it directly from their own media house. That is different from what we are doing. We have our own internal challenges that we had. People who try to influence the long list, but even though they were not successful, they try to. We said per IOC certificate rule, once you do that, you do something without recourse to the chef de mission, you give somebody instruction without asking the permission from the chef de mission, we need to take a decision on that. And that has nothing to do with the journalists who were detained or returned from Australia.
NSMA Ghana Olympic Committee omo president Ura Ben Nunu Mensa BNM ana mane bonus amane friend of journalist accreditation de journalist ankasa na ye omo de amanfo se da bi ye penhwemu into journalist no ne course so e wo so asetem nam so mani persiste ene ko pose se omo journalist amrekwa na omo nye journalist omo de ko gudwuma de ne mase ni na Ghana Olympic Committee mabaso ana da ba san hye so nkuanse no omo de san hye se mampenfo hodo bi ehwan bi position so e chese nya de omo betimi ene GOC no etimi de hwemu pebio eno nam so me yesa komu president of the modern pentathlon Uradi Dean and Chris Esrifi were former chef de mission Edema 2016 Olympic Games no or say quite fast so yedi asotwe emanko for de entwa yikura.
It is simple. I think it's been a day of shame in my view, because I don't expect that we come to Congress and it's all about such an embarrassing situation we have to deal with. But looking at the recommendations made by the committee, unfortunately, our constitution suggests that we need to vote on each individual, and so we voted. And Achu, which in my view should have also had the opportunity to stay on because one vote or so went in his favor. And then, unfortunately for him, and that is Theophilus, he has been removed. But I think that's why some of us pushed that yes, even if he's going to stay in office, that he's not fit to represent Ghana as the chef de mission, the 2020 Olympic Games and in Tokyo, and that is how come. Yes, he will probably stay in as the vice president, and yet he's not getting the opportunity to be the chef de mission. I think in all, one has continued to say it's been very embarrassing because some of us who travel abroad all the time, you where people ask you questions, you are not even sure where to start and where to end. I believe that it's come as a lesson. I hope that we learn lessons.
Enti Ora Chris Esrifi wono ana president of the modern pentathlon and former chief chef de mission Edema Ghana Olympic Committee omdwumadi omdi 2016 ede komu games na se no ana ode ne komo eba se wohwema Ora ba ko a wono so epiem Mr Polachu one first vice president of GOC na nka utimi sam pese ehwan ne dibre nyina but na nka obe chef de mission no pe ne ehwan ana aka ne dibre no ne aka nyina ogide pass se na ne masi course no entwaye ewo congress omkoe na fe Sanchez ne ngwase wi ana mpemfo emomo ye ewo congress na se
Games won sensemu year enche ye kopiemu our Africa Games and just here on the 19th of August 2019 now we the 1st August 2019 our Morocco Ghana see kobie na yes ye discipline we film watch na see ye athlete we film I have something which is the enremu kire say sikasam na mampani for take those decisions ama bebre na choma dwan won say shedan koye kra honorable Neil Ante Van Der Poel enkan wono na ye osofo ahwa agudie ne mabunu nsem so na no atom say hwede. Look at what we are doing. Yakwa says getting now or Egypt. Afeni Epis Kariakwa African Games. We are not serious.
The issue which is worrying to me as I sit here is the fact that other disciplines are there. If we have depleted the budget, how are we going to finance the other sporting disciplines? This is half year. Other sporting disciplines have programs. Are we not killing the other sporting disciplines as a country? Is that what we are doing? God has given somebody talent, which the person is nurturing. And we are using our own knowledge and intention, willfully killing that person's opportunity for that person to become somebody. Recently, somebody came to this country having been the world champion wrestling. You understand? He's put Ghana on the map. Boxing has put Ghana on the map. Now, as I'm talking to you now, the boxers are preparing for All Africa Games. It's one discipline that has given us more laurels than any other discipline. What are we doing?
What are we doing? I don't someone Ramon Lila Tevanda Poi, what are you 91 athletes, 14 disciplines. Yeriko Piemo, El Harris, a bit magic medals, beauty about Naka Brosokra, Penifona Rancho, at the Abasa 14.
Na every athletes are more African Games national. Na de ni club issues mu has phobia never say die ashedu ketekananam nyan kontomrant no so ni abri bruta na sentema kofa ombraba e won santrama Ghana hye so nyina na so be hia omu PR no e social media no na wa hye eye atade ni nyina mu no nyame adoma has fofo mpem for chese omoni Future Stars Academy e de nkugwa kensi ba ko betia pem so we nyina e ahosisi omoye e de ahye omhoden Kwame Prado kasema for Edem House of Folk Ninkomuni.
Saturday and upper at exactly 8 a.m. No, House of Folk, they were starting young friendly again, Future Stars Academy. In that friendly, Coach Professor Omar, the players, the good opportunity to continue to assess them. In Tiabobako, 8 we'll play another one at 10 a.m. with the same side again because Coach Professor all the assessment and my players. So we are hoping that every Phobian will be there to witness the team go through their first training.
Enti Kwame Opayado a social media na hwe na tim sampa ombro ne boedene ene nti on de na yi atade na nego so ehye no ho no ana wote ne kaso de ne komo atujo kasamofo panyin e de ma Accra House of Folk apart from Dominication House of Folk they are yet to sign any player bia omudwumade omudi omgusu ne na musa Kwame esa the transfer market no ejai.
Nobody will have to see us in the transfer market before it means that we are working. Even we are one day, let us just sit and allow them to do it. What we believe in is that here players who do not within the very few, and with the very few, we have to work very well to make sure that then we'll be able to make the noise about them. But as I say, that is not our communication plan at all. That is not our style. And our supporters and it will be something they will all appreciate.
Yes, enti Kwame Prado kasamafo panyin edema Accra House of Folk ana placer omobobo ma no ehwe anim so betime agina mamom 2019 season ne beba so na semba so no wo mo hyehye ni
Yankopien wo kuma se metema Asante Koroko wo mo aka chempatwo wo hwesa ne players no de bia e beda so no masan foforo na se no prof 13 players ana kotokwasan ko form aba onu se 8 na ekwo 13 in 18 gone. Toano mo to kumoni ade. Next week, omo ejina kono de dendin e wo the CAF Champions League ni mu a anya sam keto akra na omo coach CK Akono ede ne koye e technical director na won sam aba bebre. Enkra ensa ka no e chese papa no e de ka omo de ma no keys akomo omo. E dan so omo de ma no Kumasi keys. What they call and yama with the mama no say boxer shorts and pabwa socks bibia what they call internet is a human bride say Jan or Jan technical director no one yet can watch it answer one on our way Pierre or the mama tema watching him.
They promoting your course the status of technical director. Them say maybe be na kusika kuna ninja mo and you know or try some position in there. What you sure say ABPA the nature home. Bibia could do no say you Fabio Bakufa Bunkum Bakusifa Nifa. Na Kotokoja Pade Bakwan and Bakwana Milibu and Chadia. As professional as he is, Fabio Kana and one in chain. Design Pathfinder or the Abras and Kotoko. And a dancer na or team Olukumasi. And also or the Edano Safwa Abre Kotoko for Kotokosono as a new so the Oyama and then see Bibliobokobia and Kotokoso the Empire and the Yenmunya of Beternity.
All right, Kennedy Boachi and Sana Kasama Metema Kumasi Asante Kotoko Norin Sem to Edra Esano na Yegusu Kodokono fans no do manuatu nano ada friendly Zolo to say go beyond Mamunti or more worried kakra because enche omne canopiles the premier so na go so my ti fans no
Te fra Kwamboachi mete pankro no abelt me dey make answer make we dey no omoma abeg pass if you say obaya no say omama ne pass ya ye hu say oni bo ne bo na say oye dey oni bo so esa omama ne pass the omo ya omo team pass I say Ghana for ne kwa na ya ball player la pen wa ba omo nya ball ma pass na ma ne pass ya e be dey hu say oni bo wa so omo pass ball no ye hu say oni bo omo nya ball no ma pass ya omo nya ball no ma pass oba ha be share oba share omo hu mo de ball ti na ko fa omo man pass na ki be go aya na say Yakoba na moja tu Yakoba say good mass obe training say good man ya pamu Yakoba o training ground ye yin e koji Yakoba ye from got chairman secretary to chairman our kropon ye from Afrifa ye yin e koji Yakoba say Yakoba omumma Yakoba tam Yakoba ye man tam a Yakoba be ya de abi go ba o ye say 2 weeks munya beg life man coach you good information about that come on they don't born once go they no about just say nya with press no abeg ni de aka born kwa akwa good pa eso born into me kwa ya race no enko ka bia no no eya na onya born na ya be stamp ni for na no wo nkasa nche no ese onya born na wo twe 1 2 a wo cross ball no abeg je ni sase kwa wo pass ball ni ma no enti ya 7-11 no ya stamp ni for na wo nkasa nche ni for no.
All right, Koroko fans be and some of the two trafa send a mo game on our face and a place ne bom homo ten no abusia. I am MTN everywhere you go. I am momo na 10 years. Etika shan so ma me sa bring now no. Because so isu I am momo no. Na what you mean anya chade sonkwa MTN for the channel no atanchan yan patro tie ye pa bet way for the love of the game. Oba bet the sika ya bet way and no atanchan so na se kwambia so no. O hwe se pen ne be kwa F pack na be establish wa yare na honto so what to me abubo bi na bibia tima koyi. Arsenal for ne Abrante of Ivory Coast needed Nicolas Pepe was 72 million pounds. What it 24 years, 5 years, and I'm money in a year. Abrante Baba the fourth most expensive signing in Premier League history. And what Pogba 89 million, Lukaku 75 million, Van Dijk 75 million, and it's a blind 72 million. And to me, so Barnes 3 matches 4 no, which is that means a pressure by so 72 in the boarding. And yes, so you're in a humble board. The Aquaso, Arsenal for so akache no problem for you check crane fan room na
Godwin, they say happy birthday in Command Sergeant Anochi of Ghana Police Service National Counter Tourism Unit. Happy birthday and then Command Sergeant with Godwin Captain Smart and a personal person and Odiaba Sergeant and Kodiamano. Kofia Jejin say happy birthday to my son and also Diaba Kwame Asante J. He lives in Kumasi, Daban, new site from his dad Kofia J. Jr. Cove Town and also Diaba. King Boat say in fact good morning Eric and Wallace watching you live inside Abosiwo Kain Ojas Utu Hono Difibai and Afi say Galaxy and so the Abasa watching live inside the Do North headquarters in Ashanti region and Afi J. Frank say Fabulous will surely make wonders in CAF Champions League. Ivan Grant say good morning Bra Enoch and Kejua. I'm Ivan watching you live from Hachu. You are doing a great job. Keep it up. And I feel so Patins in Cancer say good morning to you all. Next what you be including the security men in this house. Also Kwame catch say Prof 1 no size Milano and the way aba. Kwame catch say watching you live from Milano. And I feel so Ansa Daniel say watching you live from Rega Dubai. And I feel so Kwano Nyameke Amo Randy or say watching you live from Jomoro district and only in Komo no so dia ba. Na champion say watching you live from Dubai. And I feel so David Mark say watching you live inside Udumase Krobo. Na say Krobo Udumase Forums ye. And I feel oni chema na say Mogbe Sule or say wale sa kwa fashion kan ho. And I feel so Primus Ahmed or say watching you live from Takwa. And I feel Primus Ahmed Bion or say I'm still in your house and then Komo dia ba. And I feel in your house.
And I'm Mimi house.
And them say minim house con say session red was a green so blue it's a mouse of mess as I Kwame watching you live from Naples in Italy and also the way about teacher constitution on also say from teacher constitution on also say oh there be teacher there near NDC MPP story and
bro yan kwane afira yanwumra ye beba na ye sports page too
I say kai man for so say Kofia pay you know 10th of August na pay for the Shenaban
Achimota second year kisaka 8 days
yeah Achimota clubhouse to be a emija na ye Kofia pay the evangelist Kofia pay yankata na chisi kama
Prof Yanchia Kinshata. I want to CEO of FA Global.
Oh, okay.
The whole Ashama no be anymore.
Kinshata. The whole Ashama.
What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Solid man pa.
Kinshata.
Where you tough pa.
King.
Yeah. Belated happy birthday. Man come Mr. Justice Akotonete. We fin the money ho. You know, Esther, Anita, Jimmy, Naomi, Kobe Mungi na mo somo we shino. Happy birthday. No mo somo and me and find and me man inking kum. And belated birthday and come Mr. Justice Akotonete.
Okay.
Where top pa. I wanna say friend Nete. Na Nete. Wanna offer. Yeah. Okay. Mr. Justice Akotonete. Happy belated birthday and call.
Advocacy Kegbe Semefa when Creman why. Say good morning my dear brother. I hope you are doing very well. Yes, when can't it let no. I just say yes. Or say my son Paul Elikem Buchu. His birthday is yesterday. It was yesterday. Just see and wishing his son Paul Elikem Buchu. Happy birthday. Obviously, Musunyane. Now, with this year's old, also Mutia don't bruta.
I was quite now. Kasane soma message you born on so abode wa fidie ne beto ya na wati afidie ya unyi fi ha krantin you aso kran fi akoso wati
volume na biem
bi volume no kokomemble ngina asane tiboli wana obi a anti akoto na ma obi a aduane di kokomemble anti akoto afeno okay dance kwa
data ho omomu ndi line che
se wakoto green kiosk around blue kiosk green correct pa the whole
kokunte na we chi
Auntie Akoto, fantastic morning going out to you. Now, you know one ebe boy. The mount, I don't know.
Omika Krabi, Omia Bibri.
When you low no shine high.
On Auntie Akoto, Omika Krabi, Omia Bibri. Oh, yeah,
so Papa is an worry and
Auntie Akoto, Omika Krabi, maybe scribe with me coffee.
But I have to be established upon saying for the Christian Concoy the Braille. MTN everywhere you go, Momonadi 10, Koswa you Sunedi, and MFU MTN Ho, and of course, Betway for the love of a game, Betway in your trunk once here, a bit to Kejuangasani, Erica see Dupu D.
Enoch. Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace, a good year catch back up, the only nomenclature with the professor's degree in sports, the Al Regina Wallace, aka.